to it. Real one, ain't nothing to it. Boss, ain't nothing to it. Real one, ain't nothing.
So we get into this slate. We want to make sure nothing is on our face or any oils of any kind. So we're going to take a makeup remover and remove it off. I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going into my Plouise Base for 3 and number 5 to prime my lids. I haven't done a black smoky eye before. I'm going to go into my Warriors 2 palette by Juvias Place. Don't forget to use my code BMarie to get some money off. And I'm just patting on the outer V areas. You can pat all the way in the inner corner, but just trust me, watch it. It's the easiest way to do a smoky eye. I'm going to pat on the outer V area with a flat brush and just using the same method I usually use, but we're going to basically smoke that black in the inner part so that it can fade up to be a smoky eye. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but the second shade that I'm going in with was the Makeupaddiction Cosmetics palette. This is the Flaming Love palette. It's that light brown in there. And I'm taking a Jacylin Hill brush. This is from Morphe. It's a fluffy brush. And I'm going to pat that on top of that black shadow just to fade everything in. And I'm also taking that brown in the inner part, the front part of my eyes, because it's supposed to be a smoky eye, so it's supposed to be all around the lid. So it's so many ways you can do a smoky eye, so I'm just showing you the way that I know how to do it. So I am grabbing a drugstore brush and I'm going into my other favorite palette, which is by Juvias Place, and I'm grabbing that light brown that I love going in there to take, and I'm basically making a gradient. I love going from dark to light, y'all. It's just always the best way to go. And I love doing browns and blacks, just anything smoky. And I'm just patting that, and I never go back in with the last color to smoke out the lid. So this is where the smoky eye is about to come in place. So I'm going to take a black, the same black that I used, and I'm taking a fluffy brush, another fluffy brush, because we used a flat brush at first, but I'm taking a fluffy brush because I want to smoke that black out. So I am taking it and I'm dragging it in the inner tear duct area, and I am really trying to make that more smoked out and defined, y'all. So I did go back in with each shade and do that off camera. So now I'm going in with this black glittery shadow. It does have glitter reflexes in it. I wish I had a really sparkly one, but I didn't. So I'm just packing that black all over the lid, and the tip of that brush is going to help me kind of blend that shadow into the first black that we used, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm also leaving space in between the inner tear duct so that I could put a shimmer shade in the corner. So the shimmer shade that I used was C1 out of the Norvina palette, volume 3, and I put a fluffy brush. I picked up a fluffy brush specifically because I wanted it to blend instead of just a flat brush. A flat brush is going to basically pack the shadow on there for you, and it's not going to have no I don't want to say blendation. I don't think it's a word. It's not a word at all, but it's not going to blend for you. So you definitely want to go back in with the black and the shimmer shade to basically blend each other together. You don't want it to look just like, okay, I know where the black is, and I know where that shimmer shade leads. So I did go in with Glitzmetics glitter, and I put this on my lid using the NYX glitter base, y'all, and it's so pretty. I love this glitter. Oh my god, the best smoky eye I've done, because like I said, I haven't done a smoky eye before, but it's so pretty. I love this eye. I didn't even do a liner or anything like that, and normally I would love to do liners because when I put my lashes on, I don't want the band to like really show a little bit, but I mean, you all wouldn't see it like that. But I love doing these easy looks. Let me know if y'all want to see more easy looks to do in the description bar below, like 2 shadows so that you can use to go to work in, or you know, just something really quick that y'all can see. Because I don't know, ever since I've been doing me, y'all, I just been trying to do quick stuff and trying to go out, y'all, to be honest. So I want to know if y'all want to see these looks. So I put lashes on from the drugstore. These are the $5 25mm 3D lashes. They not mink, so I'm not even gonna say mink. So my lash cases are done, y'all. They are about to come to me, and I'm so excited to be releasing my lashes. I cannot wait until I say, y'all ready to buy? I'm so ready. But anyways, I'm priming my face. Well, I did prime my face, and I'm going in with new Caledonia, and I went in with Macao from Nars foundation, and then Sienna from Becca Ultimate Full Coverage Foundation. And now these two combinations together, oh my god, my skin was looking so flawless. Like, I was so beat. I was taking my time when I was doing this, and I'm so glad that the time has set back, because now I don't feel like I am going really slow doing my makeup, because every time I get done, it's just like, oh, I started at this time and it's this time, what, for real? But yeah, y'all just rambling on. But yeah, pack that foundation on. I love just patting it on. I'm going to go back. I want to use another brush when I pack my foundation on next time. The round brush that I used to use back in the day in the YouTube community, they used to use the round brushes. I don't know if some people still use those, but I'm gonna go back to using those. I'm gonna see if it like changes how the foundation applies. But yeah, so I'm taking Tan Sand Deep or 10 Deep Sand from Tarte Tape Shape, and I'm just basically highlighting the areas of my face. Now, you can put foundation on, y'all, and you can powder your foundation and get up out of here and go about your business, and you'll still look the same. But this, I think the highlight and contour like is what really changes you and changes the structures on your face. But I took the what is that? This full coverage concealer by Too Faced, and that is in the shade Chai, and Sable is the darkest one that I'm putting on now, y'all. But yeah, I think this really changes the structure of your face. Like, you don't have to do all of this if you don't want to, especially if you're going to work anything like that. But I love to be beats, guys, anywhere that I go. And if I'm not, I'm just plain Briana, okay? My alter ego is B Marie, and me, I'm just Briana. But anyways, yeah, y'all, I love doing this voiceover, okay, you know. But yeah, I really want to start making my tutorials more fun, so that people can be entertained when they watch them. I don't want it to be the same basic tutorials. I do want it to, well, in the summertime, I did want to get out there and do like more life tutorials, like while I'm outside and doing tutorials. So let me know what y'all think. Should I go in a hotel or something and do something crazy? Let me know. Give me some ideas, y'all. I need some ideas. But yeah, y'all, I love these Real Technique brushes to but to blend out the concealers. And just everything is just coming in so flawless. And that's the crayon case brush that I'm using to do my nose. I love that brush to do my nose. Now what I'm taking is, I am taking ABH powder. This is in the shade Peachy. I think it's in Peachy. And I used a darker one today because I didn't want it to be so light. I usually use banana and I mix it with Laura Mercier, so I'm like, this is the perfect combination. And the thing is, you always want, I stopped spraying my face, y'all. This is MAC's Prolong Wear Concealer, no, not concealer, sorry y'all, foundation powder in the shade NW50. But yeah, I stopped spray my face, but you want to spray your face because you don't want it to look so powdery. So spray your face so that it will look more like natural looking and not so powdery. I love cutting my cheeks now as well. And then I put Kat Von D's like nude liner under the eye, and I smoked it out with that black. Man, this look was lit. Went a while sent me that highlighter collection, and I am so in love. They sent me a brush set and this highlighter palette, and I am in love with this highlighter. Look at that, it's just going on so smooth, y'all. Look at how it's blending into my skin. And I also went into the ABH palette, the contour palette, and y'all, this palette gives more of a natural contour. The Sephora Pro is like more deeper, so it's like giving more like, ooh, it's like there, like I'm contour for real. This is more softer to me. Y'all, so I am just contouring to the gods, and I'm going in with this blush palette by Juvias Place. I forgot her name. I think it's Fumi. I don't want to get it wrong, but I will definitely leave in the description below. And I'm just wiping the excess powder that I used to cut my cheeks with. Now I am spraying my face. Like I said, do not forget to do this part. I always forget to do this part. But I'm taking KKW Beauty Lip Liner and Anastasia Beverly Hills Nude Liquid Lipstick. And then for gloss, I am going to use Plouise Base Lip Gloss. And that is it, y'all. Like, oh, it's so pretty. And then Duke is going to help me fix my chain. And that's it. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next fun tutorial. I wanted to